Well, masks or no masks in school? Who decides? The question in front of a federal judge today. Good evening and thanks for joining us on News 2 at 4. I'm Alex Dennis.
And I'm Erica Francis. The debate will determine the power local governments have over student mask mandates here in Tennessee. News 2's Valencia Wicker in federal court today. In Valencia, big questions over how children will be masked in school.
And this all coming just days after Governor Bill Lee signed a COVID restriction bill into law, Valencia.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, in a hearing this afternoon, a judge set the date for Friday's hearing, and that's when he will decide if it is lawful for the governor to ban mask mandates for local school districts. As you just mentioned, this all stemmed from legislation signed into law last Friday by Governor Bill Lee. It widely restricts how government bodies and businesses can operate in the midst of COVID-19. Now, one of those restrictions is mask mandates in schools. The new law bans mask mandates for districts unless there are, quote, severe conditions. Now, a group of parents has sued the governor and state education leaders, saying the legislation violates their children's rights to reasonable accommodations in school under the Americans with Disabilities Act. The students at the center of this discussion are between the ages of 7 and 14 from 3 different counties, and they are all at extreme risk of serious health complications if they contract COVID-19.
The easiest way to think about it in terms of like public education is if a parent of a child who has who needs to access a ramp to access school could sue a school that did not build a ramp according to certain specifications, saying that my child doesn't have a right to, or doesn't have access to education like other children. And so that's kind of a prototypical ADA type case. And then the school would be required to build the ramp. It's kind of the same argument here. It's just in the world of COVID, it's applied in a different way.
Now, Friday's hearing is set for 9 a.m. In the meantime, the judge did decide to keep status quo. That means, for now, districts can still decide on their own. Alex.
All right, Valencia, thank you. News 2 will continue to track news always about COVID-19 and its impacts on the way that you live, work, and go to school. That's all at WKRN.com.